of the people who keep a local Christmas gathering and sing thing for this Christmas, please me ask you, please. I see uno got so look same thing I put per plate for what you and fish, you know. Cause me know uno go do the fish and the bami and thing. Yes, don't watch the fish dog. Fish is just a food from Jamaica. But listen, I know uno gonna do the fish and bami and same thing. Sometimes we are very hungry and we are coming over by uno local gathering to save our life. We can end up dead. Because you see the local fish them uno give away with the whole bone them. The bone them kinda stuck them short. So if please when you keep the gathering for this Christmas, may I ask you please. Please, if you could just get your good sized fish when I have the little small bone there when I'm stuck in my throat. I am grateful for what you're going to give me for this Christmas, but please, may I ask you, please, if you could just get your big size, good snapper and top with the little banga fish them when you get out the river because one stuck in my throat the other day and until now writers as well. So please, with the little Christmas gathering, get your good sized fish with the plate them.